Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is English Tone, where learning English becomes simple and fun. I'm feeling great today. The sun is shining, and it's one of those mornings that makes you want to smile. Some days, just the light is enough to lift your mood. Mornings are calm. The world feels quiet, like it's still waking up. I like to start slowly, stretching and taking a deep breath. I tell myself, today can be a good day. It's a small thing, but it matters. After that, I go to my favorite morning ritual, coffee. The smell alone is comforting. I usually take it warm with a little milk. Sometimes I skip sugar. Just the warmth and aroma are enough. A small moment like this sets the tone for the whole day. Movement comes next. I don't go to the gym. Instead, I take a walk. There's a small park near my place. Green grass, flowers, birds singing. 20 minutes is enough to feel refreshed. Walking wakes up both body and mind. Occasionally, I meet my neighbor, Mr. Wilson. He's 80 and still walks every day. We greet each other with a smile. A simple hello can brighten the day for both of us. Small connections like these are powerful. Breakfast is important. I usually have eggs, toast, and sometimes an orange. Fruit gives energy, and a good breakfast keeps me calm. If I skip it, I get hangry, hungry, and angry. It's a funny word, but it's real. Drinking water is another small habit I swear by. So simple, yet easy to forget. A big glass feels like a reset. It helps focus and keeps the day steady. Music is part of my daily routine. Calm music while working. Fast music while cleaning. Singing while doing chores makes them fun. Something as small as a song can change a boring task into a joyful moment. I try to learn something new every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Reading a page, watching a short video, learning a word or a fact. Consistency matters more than time. Like a plant, water it a little every day, and it grows. I have a little plant on my desk named Lucy. Talking to her is relaxing. She never interrupts. Nature is important. Even one plant, one tree, or a patch of green lifts your mood. A small window garden or a plant in your room brings life inside. Family and friends add another layer. A short call to my mom, just a few minutes, keeps me connected. We don't discuss anything heavy, just the weather or her cooking. It reminds me of love and care. For friends, small gestures work wonders. A funny message, a picture, or a joke shows that you care. Simple dinners, pizza at home, movies. These are the moments that matter. Laughter, connection, and comfort don't need money. Evening is for slowing down. I put my phone away an hour before bed. Notifications stop, blue light disappears, and I focus on calm. I read a paper book. The texture of pages is soothing. A warm shower relaxes my muscles and prepares me for sleep. Before sleeping, I think of 3 good things from the day. Maybe the coffee, a smile from a neighbor, or a quiet moment with Lucy. Gratitude shifts the mind from what went wrong to what went right. It's small, yet powerful. Sleep is crucial. 8 hours is ideal, but even 6 hours of rest makes a difference. Tiredness makes me grumpy. Rest makes me kind. Small habits like sleep, gratitude, and daily rituals make life smoother and happier. Happiness isn't about money. It lives in small moments. The first sip of coffee, a walk in the park, a chat with a friend, the pages of a book. These tiny things build a life worth living. As the day moves on, afternoons are my favorite time for small joys. I like to learn something new, even if it's just a few minutes. Sometimes I read a short article, sometimes a book, or watch a quick video. History, science, even English tips. Anything that makes my mind active. Learning doesn't have to be long or hard. 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Small steps, consistent effort. That's the key. Like planting a seed and watering it little by little. It grows quietly, steadily, and beautifully. I also make time for little breaks. A few minutes to stretch, breathe, or just look out the window. Seeing the trees sway or birds hop around feels peaceful. These small pauses refresh both body and mind. They keep stress from piling up. Talking to people is another small joy. A smile to a neighbor, a quick chat with a friend, even a simple text saying, "Thinking of you," makes a difference. Small gestures show care, and they create connection. Connection is essential. It's what makes life feel warm. Food is part of simple happiness too. I love quick, easy meals that feel good. Sometimes it's eggs and toast, sometimes just a sandwich. Sharing a meal with friends or family adds even more joy. Nothing fancy, just good food, laughter, and company. Pizza nights are my favorite. Simple, relaxed, and fun. Music stays with me through the day. Calm tunes while working, upbeat songs while doing chores. Singing while cleaning dishes isn't just fun. It lifts the mood. It turns ordinary moments into playful ones. Even a little dance while tidying up can bring a smile. Water, coffee, a bit of sunlight, movement, music, learning, connection. These are the building blocks of a simple life. None of them are complicated, but they add up to happiness. In the late afternoon, I sometimes call my mom. Even 5 minutes is enough. We talk about small things, the weather, food, or just laugh together. These short moments remind me of love and care. They keep bonds strong. Friends are similar. A quick joke, a funny picture, or a simple, "How are you?" message goes a long way. Meeting for a casual dinner, watching a movie together, sharing laughter. These are the real joys of life. They don't need money or fancy places, just attention, presence, and care. As evening comes, I slow down. Phones are put away, lights are dimmed, and the mind begins to rest. I read a book, feel the pages, and let the stories calm my thoughts. A warm shower soothes my muscles. Little routines like this prepare the body for deep sleep. Before bed, I list 3 things I'm grateful for. Maybe the warm cup of coffee in the morning, the gentle sunlight, or the chat with a friend. Gratitude is small but powerful. It shifts attention from stress to what feels right. Sleep is a cornerstone of simple happiness. Rested minds and bodies make days better. Even 6 hours is better than none. Tiredness makes me short-tempered. Rest brings patience and calm. Small, simple habits create balance. Even simple movements, stretching, walking, sitting quietly, have an impact. They remind me to slow down and notice the world. Life doesn't have to be busy all the time. Small moments matter. Even chores can be joyful. Listening to music while washing dishes, humming a tune, feeling water on my hands. It's about turning routine into play. Happiness is often hidden in these ordinary tasks. Nature, even in small amounts, uplifts. One plant on a desk, a tree outside the window, birds on the balcony. They bring calm and life into the day. Observing them reminds me that life continues gently, naturally whether I notice it or not. In the afternoon, I like short bursts of learning. 10 minutes reading or watching a small English video keeps the brain active. Small steps but consistent. That's better than long, infrequent efforts. Learning daily, even a little, makes a big difference. Evenings are for reflection. I think about 3 good things that happen during the day. Maybe the coffee, a walk, or a chat. Gratitude is simple, but it reshapes perspective. It highlights positivity instead of stress. Before sleep, I turn off the phone. Blue light is gone. Notifications disappear. I feel free. I read, stretch, or just sit quietly. Peace grows. Muscles relax. Thoughts calm. Sleep comes easily. Small habits repeat day after day. Morning coffee, walks, learning, connections, music, gratitude, sleep. None of them are complicated, but they add up. They create a life that feels peaceful, simple, and happy. Even simple gestures like saying hello, smiling at a neighbor, or sending a small message build connection. Connection is one of the strongest forms of happiness. It doesn't require money or time, just attention. Every part of the day has small rituals. Morning starts with light and coffee. Movement refreshes the body. Midday brings learning and small conversations. Evening invites reflection, gratitude, and rest. The pattern is simple but complete. Even chores, like washing dishes or tidying a room, can become moments of fun. Music, movement, or a small dance adds joy. Ordinary moments become extraordinary with a little attention. Nature is a constant companion. Plants, trees, sunlight, birds, they offer calm and a sense of life. Observing them reminds me that life moves gently. Happiness is not in big events, but in noticing these simple things. Connecting with family and friends is equally vital. A short call, a quick message, or casual dinner together builds love and warmth. Laughter and company make ordinary moments memorable. Gratitude closes the day. Listing 3 small good things shifts focus to positivity. Coffee, a smile, a kind word, or a sunny sky. These simple things remind me life is beautiful. Sleep restores. Even 6 hours makes a difference. Rested, I wake calmer, happier, and more patient. Small habits make life smoother. They create balance and joy. As night falls, the day winds down. I like to slow my pace and notice the quiet. It's a different kind of beauty. Streets are calm, lights glow softly, and the world feels peaceful. These moments are small but important. They help the mind relax. Evening routines are simple. I put my phone away. No notifications, no blue light, just quiet. Then I read a paper book. The texture of the pages feels comforting. Stories take me somewhere else. They calm the mind and ease stress. A warm shower follows. The water soothes the muscles, and I feel my body soften. It's a small hug for myself after a long day. Simple pleasures like this remind me that life doesn't have to be complicated. Before bed, I always think of 3 good things from the day. Today, it could be the coffee in the morning, the walk in the park, and the chat with my neighbor. Gratitude is small but powerful. It changes perspective. Stress fades when focus shifts to the good. Sleep is a cornerstone of a simple, happy life. Rested minds are patient and calm. Tired minds are short-tempered. Even 6 hours of quality sleep helps. Simple habits like gratitude, quiet reflection, and good rest build a peaceful life. Small movements during the day add up. Stretching, walking, sitting quietly, or just noticing nature. These are tiny acts that bring energy and calm. They remind me to slow down and appreciate life. Chores don't have to feel like work. Music, singing, or even a little dance while cleaning makes the ordinary joyful. Happiness often hides in these small moments. It's about noticing and enjoying them. Nature continues to be a companion. A plant on a desk, birds outside the window, or a tree in the park. They all bring calm and life. Observing them reminds me that life flows gently and steadily. Happiness is in noticing these simple things. Learning is ongoing, even in small doses. Reading a page, watching a quick English video, or learning a new word keeps the mind active. Daily learning, even for 10 minutes, is more effective than long, rare study sessions. Small steps, consistent effort, build knowledge. Connecting with family and friends adds warmth. A short call to a parent, a quick message to a friend, or a simple dinner together creates love and care. Laughter and presence are far more important than money or fancy settings. Even simple gestures, smiling at someone, sending a kind message, or saying hello, create connection. Connection is a powerful source of happiness. It reminds us that we are not alone. Attention and care are often enough. Daily routines form a simple pattern. Morning starts with light, coffee, and movement. Midday brings learning and social moments. Evening offers reflection, gratitude, and rest. Even chores and small tasks can bring joy if approached with attention. Music, sunlight, plants, and movement weave through the day. These small acts support mood, health, and focus. Happiness is built from noticing and enjoying these moments. Gratitude closes the day. 3 small things, no matter how simple, shift perspective. Coffee, a smile, a kind word, or sunlight. Focusing on these rewires the mind to see the positive. Sleep restores the body and mind. 8 hours is ideal, but even 6 hours helps. Rested, I wake calmer, happier, and more patient. Small daily habits make life smoother and happier. They build balance. The beauty of simple living is that it doesn't require money, stress, or grand plans. Happiness exists in small rituals: morning coffee, walking, learning, connecting, music, and reflection. They are ordinary, yet extraordinary in effect. Life's joys are small but powerful. A sunny morning, a warm drink, a quiet walk, a smile from a neighbor, a short call to a friend, reading a book, singing while cleaning, watering a plant, noticing the sky, and feeling grateful. These moments create richness. They are free, yet priceless. Even ordinary tasks gain meaning with presence. Washing dishes, folding clothes, or tidying up becomes joyful when paired with music, movement, or mindfulness. Happiness is often hidden in what we overlook. Nature, connection, learning, music, gratitude, movement, rest. These are the foundations of a simple, happy life. Each day brings chances to notice, enjoy, and be present. It's not complicated. It's consistent and gentle. In the end, simple living reminds us that happiness is not a goal far away. It is here, in the small moments, waiting to be noticed. A warm cup of coffee, a kind smile, a short walk, a little learning, laughter with friends, a quiet reflection, a good night's sleep. All of these are treasures. Life is made of small choices. Every morning, every afternoon, every evening presents opportunities for joy. A smile, a gesture, a pause, a song, a grateful thought. These are the small things that build a life that feels full. So, as you move through your day, notice the little moments. Take a walk, sip your coffee slowly, laugh, listen to music, water your plant, connect with someone you love. These small joys make the day, and the days make a life. And that is what simple living is. It's noticing, appreciating, and enjoying what you already have. It's not about chasing big things. It's about finding richness in small moments every single day.